Today, we demo Claude's Fable 5. I built this custom API meter. Now, the goal of this was to track how much certain projects are costing me. And I thought, wow, this would be a fun demo to try to clone Minecraft and see how much it would cost us using Claude's Fable 5 on high reasoning. This isn't meant to be the most in-depth cloning video. This is meant to just scratch the surface to show you exactly how much it would cost if you were paying retail API inference. So without squirrel ado, let's build. So as you can see here on the screen, I built this little widget for this demo. And let's go ahead and spin up Claude. And what it'll do is it'll detect the most recent session, and it should zero out here. Hey. Voila, there we go. That hay cost me 18 cents. Let's also make sure our effort is set to high instead of X high. All right, so for today's prompt, let's create a Minecraft clone with a custom shader option for ultra realism. I want you to build this end to end with a working preview. And we're going to add a few things. Let's also add a shader package for an imagined world created by Claude code. All right, so we're going to add on a few different things, right? We're not just cloning Minecraft here. But I think the real value in this video lies in how much does it cost if we were to use an API key over our subscription. And that's what this little widget is going to allow us to see. I know everyone's creating a Minecraft demo. I'm not here trying to reinvent the wheel. I'm just trying to show you the cost behind that. Right, so that took about 23 minutes, and that cost almost 100,000 tokens. That's $13.65. Let's see how well it works. And let's go full screen. Start off with classic. Wow, this looks exactly like Minecraft. The water, the sky, the sun, the grass. I mean, we don't have hands punching, but you know, so it didn't actually build everything, but it built the world. Let's go check. Well, how do we switch? I think we switch U. Ooh, look at this ultra realistic shader that it did for us. Very nice. And then what about the next one? This is Claude's dream mode, apparently. Interesting. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Now, so much more work would need to go in it to, you know, if you wanted to fork Minecraft and create your own world with your own type of humanoids or robots or what have you, right? That could actually be a fun concept for Minecraft called Robo World or something. I'm sure something like that probably exists, but you know, the purpose of this video was to show you the cost behind attempting to clone Minecraft. I thought it would be a fun video. It was quick. There's not much I needed to show because we fast forwarded through the build. It was just very boring of me kind of jumping between screens waiting for it to finish. But I was honestly pleasantly surprised by the cost. I would have thought that it would have cost me more to clone the foundation of Minecraft, but it only cost us $13.65. Now, I have a subscription, so I'm not paying via API. This is if I was using an API key. That's how much it would have cost me to go from start, well, with the 18 cents from saying, hey, to this point in time. Now, right, this isn't exactly Minecraft. We can't go mine for minerals and stuff like that. We don't have the inventory set. We don't have the crafting set, all of those details that make Minecraft what it is. But nevertheless, like, listen, I mean, we live in amazing times. Fable is here. I know it's only with our subscriptions up until the 7th. I know we can only use 50% of our weekly allowance on the subscription for Fable, but it's my belief that once GPT 5.6 comes out, Claude is going to go ahead and re-enable that within our subscriptions. You heard it here first. So I hope you found some value in today's video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.